Hoping to boost domestic tourism, the Prime Minister had, from the ramparts of the Red Fort, urged every Indian to visit at least 15 places in India to spur the hospitality and service sector. If you take up the Prime Minister on his challenge, here is a tour guide for you of the 15 places you must visit in the country with a special focus on the Northeast. The majestic Brahmaputra river originates in Tibet, flows through the gorges of Arunachal Pradesh and the valley of Assam before meeting the Bay of Bengal. It is seen at its grandest during sunrise or sunset. The frozen lakes of Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim are a sight to behold in the backdrop of the great Himalayan terrain. Sundarbans in West Bengal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to the Royal Bengal tiger. It is the world's largest tidal halophytic mangrove. A pleasant climate, snow-capped peaks, sparkling rivers and breathtaking sights as well as a thriving, unique culture makes the Zanskar Valley in Ladakh a place you must visit. Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh is home to the tiger and covered in bamboo and sal forests. Some stunning wildlife shots can be taken here. Mawsyn Ram Falls, located in a village of the same name in Meghalaya, has majestic waterfalls that will leave you in awe. Nearby Cherrapunji, also in Meghalaya, is one of the wettest places on earth, which also has breathtaking waterfalls and enchanting living root bridges that formed naturally by the knotting of fauna. The Great Indian Thar Desert in Rajasthan is visually magnificent with its undulating sand dunes, and it is culturally rich as well. The picturesque backwaters of Kerala are also one of the major attractions in India. It is home to a number of aquatic animals and birds. Darjeeling has taken a lead in tea tourism, being the mecca of sprawling estates producing the magic brew that is the delight of the world. The Great Run of Kutch in Gujarat is one of the largest salt deserts in the world. It is also called the White Desert and has a city of tents mainly for tourists. Coral reefs in Andamans offer a glimpse of amazing underwater life that will leave you spellbound. Zero Valley in Arunachal Pradesh hosts a thriving music event in the lush green, picturesque surroundings and quaint villages that makes it a soul seeker's paradise. Lonar Crater in Maharashtra is a notified National Geoheritage Monument that was created when a meteorite struck this part of the earth hundreds of thousands of years ago. Kudremukh Forest in Karnataka offers uninterrupted views of rolling greens. It is named after the largest peak in this hill range that is shaped like the face of a horse.